What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. And by the way, welcome to what almost feels like spring here in Maryland. We cannot wait to take you guys along to all the car shows, car meets that we're going to be going to. We've been waiting for spring to roll around, and unfortunately I couldn't take the car out because I have summer tires on it. So now that it's warming up, it's game time. So we have been waiting to do our first mod, and I know you have too. And the first one we're gonna do is the grill, because that, I think, is the ugliest part of the car. It is a sharp car overall, but that honeycomb grille really sets it off.
I know that you guys have been waiting patiently, and thank you for waiting patiently, because there's been many people asking when we were gonna do our first mod, but today's the day. First mod on the R8.
So let's unbox this thing. I can't wait to get it on. It's gonna look so much better.
It will.
Let's see how many times I get pulled over with no front plate.
That looks good.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Oh, it's gonna look sharp. Anything else in there?
Let's see. Not in there. Nothing here. Yeah, there is one more thing.
I'm guessing that, yeah, that's to go in the front so you can put a plate.
Yeah.
That is not going on.
This is like the Europe spec plate, because it's really long.
Yeah. So once we get this off, if any of you guys are interested in one of the OEM front grills, I'm gonna sell it. So in order to get the bumper off, there are a few things you need. It's pretty easy. So there's a bunch of these little screws to remove the top plastic part. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. We'll get to that. I just wanna show you everything that you need to undo. Turn your tires in on one side. Let me get down in here. Got a flashlight of them. And then in here there's 3 screws. They're all T30 screws. There's 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Those need to come undone. And then once this plastic piece comes off, there's more T30s running across, and then we're gonna do the other side of the wheel well.
I bought an air nozzle.
What are you gonna use that for?
When I'm detailing. When I'm detailing cars.
Nice.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the front plastic trim pieces off first.
Does this need to come off too or no?
No, just these.
Just the front ones?
Just the front. The ones back here, everyone's saying, these do not need to come out. Just the sides, the front. This piece has got to come off first before it's not undone.
It's not undone all the way?
It's not undone all the way. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Now we can lift these up here. And then once we're showing you, there's more T30s underneath, more underneath here as well. Once we get that off, we'll pop them off as well. And now's a good time if you're a detail freak to go ahead and start cleaning. So I got my T30 bit. If you got one of these Milwaukee ratchets, they are a big help. Makes it go a lot faster. Now once you undo these here, and you can pop it off a little bit, there's another screw. You can see the top of it right here. You have to unscrew it from underneath. All right, so I undid the screws here that go in the wheel well. You just want to keep them separate from the ones up top. And let me show you why. So the ones that go up top here have a little spacer on them. The ones that go in the wheel well don't. So I just put these 3 here on the side, and the rest of them I'm gonna put separately, just so I don't mix them up and I know where they go.
You can see it right here.
Yeah. So now that all those are out, we have to get this. So we're gonna have to pull this out a little bit so we can get access to it. Pull the wheel well liner out and get your tool in there and unscrew it. Once all those are out, the last ones I'm gonna do are the bottom here. There's a few screws as well. So there's 2 on each side, 2 here and 2 here. And then there are 3, 1, 2, 3 where the belly pan is. We're gonna take those off as well. All right, so now with the bumper off. You come in here, you'll see it is held in with, I believe they are T20. Let me grab it, see if it fits. Yep, a T20, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws there. I don't know if that's one. We'll see when we get to that if that needs to come out. I'm pretty sure that those will have to come out too. So it looks like 9. Oh, hold on. There's more 9, 10, 11. 11! Let's flip it back up. It should just come right out.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, with the grill off, Evan's just cleaning up. You might as well clean up while you have it off. Get some quick detailer, clean it up. Now, the Honeycomb Grille, we did get a sponsorship on it. I'm gonna supply you guys a link down below to get it for an awesome price. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions at all about the product. We're gonna see the fitment now. Fit in, let me see how they look. Oh yeah, really nice. See, everything now is laser cut, so fitment.
You don't really have to worry about fitment.
Yeah, I mean, some stuff, I guess some manufacturers you do. This is a reputable company. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. Grab yourself one. They are priced very well. I think they're like $400, $450. All right, let's get some screws in it and put her back on. So when you're putting it back on, put a few on the top here just to hold it in place. We'll start at the center and then work our way on the sides. All right, guys, so when you're putting the bottom back in, you want to make sure that the belly pan is over the bumper lip. Let me see if I can, there's a hole. So you want to make sure this part is over the bumper like that. And then over here, the sides are overlapping the belly pan. So just wanted to point that out. So once you get most of the screws in, this top one here, the first one that goes here, you want to hold this in while you screw it, and then we just put the hood down just to make sure it all lines up before we tighten anything else up. But man, that looks so much better. What a big improvement. All right, we are all wrapped up. How does she look? So much better from the stock one. What do you think, Evan?
I love
Look
it.
better?
I don't like the other one is too luxury looking. You know, you got to be aggressive with a supercar.
Yeah, it has too much chrome on it.
Yeah.
But if anyone out there wants it, DM me, message me on Instagram, or email me. I'm willing to sell it.
The black matches really well too. Like, you know, sometimes it could look off. That's what I was worried about too.
Yeah, I don't know if we should put the Audi, the black
I don't think
rings.
so.
Nah, I think I like it
You want
debadged.
to put it? You want to put it?
Yeah, throw it on there, see what it looks like. So if you guys want to pick one up, Jennifer took very good care of me. Like I said, I'll put a link down in the description below.
I think you should leave it off.
Yeah, for sure. I'll leave it off. We're gonna put that one on the back.
New
Just-
V10.
We're just waiting, still waiting on the V10. We'll do a separate video. I have the rings for the back and also one of these. So coming together good. Link is in the description below if you want to grab one. Great price, great fitment. Look at that.
And it's
No gaps,
very good quality too. Look at
good
this.
quality.
It's sturdy. It's not like flimsy.
Yeah, it's
and
not flimsy. And for half the price that you're gonna find it anywhere else. So hit them up. Her name's Jennifer. I'll put the link in the description below. Again, hit them up. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. So that will do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and we will see you in the next video.